Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best cam type connectors that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Cam Type Connectors. In this review we have also included a comprehensive guide that helps you pick the most appropriate model. Additionally, going through the reviews will help you narrow down your choice of the most appropriate choice, which comes with all the basic features one could expect in cam type connectors. Low voltage electronic wire connector stripping required. Number 10. Keadic 72-piece lever nut compact wire connector assortment kit. Designed with an electrical testing hole on the top of terminal so you can test if the wires are successfully powered after connected, besides their current voltage. Main features: easy to connect, safe and reliable, special design. Number 9. Tatuo 15 pieces of 2-pin 2-way wire connectors low voltage. Connecting quickly and safely, no more bare wires, no more damage to the protective covering layer, can reduce the current load fixed connection which avoids arc danger. Main features: made of polycarbonate. Package includes multi-core wire. Number 8. 75 PCs push-in wire connector walnut 2/4/6/8 port. Current rating 24A max. 400 volts building wire, 1000 volts fixtures and signs. Taping or crimping required, simply strip wire and push. Main features: package 20. Crimping required. 400 volts wire. Number 7. 24 pack wire connectors, Kalolary 2-pin 2-way low voltage. Slightly waterproof, heat resistant, fireproof, anti-dust and electric shock, can use repeatedly. 12 volts, 24 volts DC, 300 volts AC. Main features: high performance, wide application, quick wire connector. Number 6. 25 PCs lever nut compact wire conductor connector DIY. Instead of traditional electrical tape and twist type electrical butt connectors, don't need more tools to connect wires, just using your hands. Push the orange levers to 90 degrees. Main features: easy to use, reusable, universal compatibility. Number 5. Lever nut 75 pieces wire connector assortment pack. You can check the wire whether it is proper length, complete wire insertion or not through its transparent cover. It is easy to confirm whether the wires plug. Main features: high quality, flexible copper wires, scientific design. Number 4. Wire connectors TYUMEN 12 PCs 2-pin. Rated voltage 300 volts, current 10A, operating temperature 85°C, fireproof, heat resistant. Made of flame retardant material and high precision brass. The wire connectors perfect for all vehicle audio video speak. Main features: safe to use, suitable wire. Package includes. Number 3. Pluggable LED wire connectors TYUMEN 12 PCs. The wire connectors perfect for all vehicle audio video speaker LED strip lights installation and other electrical equipments. It is widely used for various low voltage DC electrical hookups. Main features: wide application. Package includes. Safe to use. Number 2. HTCELLE lever nut 75 pieces wire connector assortment pack. HTCELLE lever nut is a reusable and creative connector. If you need to change other wires, just flip the little lever up and pull out what you need and replace. Main features: easy to use, universal compatibility, safe and reliable. Number 1. Low voltage wire connectors TYUMEN 12 PCs 2-pin 2-way universal compact wire. Package includes 12 PCs 2-pin dual wire connector, terminal not include wire, scissors, pliers. Free from electric shocking danger, slightly waterproof. Main features: safe to use. Package includes. Wide application. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.